Hello guys, welcome back to my channel VFX Expert. So guys, in this today's class, we are going to see wire removal in Nuke. So how easily we can remove wire from our green screen shot in Nuke. So let's start the class here. So now guys, here in Nuke, I have imported our this footage. So first play and check. So this is our shot here. So these wires just you have to remove from our this shot. So in film production, most of the VFX shot just shoot on our this green screen with wire. So these wires just we have to remove from our this shot here. So these wires just I am going to remove with the help of roto node here. So just first we have to select our frame where easily actually just we can just create a roto for our this wire here. So now just I am going to start from our this frame, whichever frame 20. Then after this just select our footage. Now press tab and just take a roto node here. Play this roto and just attach with our this footage. So just simply double click here, then in left side just we have to select our this open spline shapes here. So just simply select this one and just we have to create according to our this wire here. First point and this is our actually second point. So now here just I have created this one. So now here if you will see we are getting this middle line and these actually rounded area here. So this middle line just we have to place exact on our wire. And this area just you have to adjust according to this wire expansions here. So now just I am going to just place it here. So first here just we have to place, so easily we can place. Now you can see. Now as you just click on this point, so you will get here this handle. So with the help of this handle, just you can adjust this area, expansion area here. So just simply we can adjust. So according to your wire, just we have to adjust. So now again simply just click here. Now easily we can see. So maybe so here just I have covered our entire wire here. Then simply just a little bit adjust it here. So maybe this is sufficient for this one. Then after this just we have to animate these shapes according to our this wire positions here. Just we have to check in our all frames here and just we have to adjust this shape in our this next frame and just we have to animate according to our this wire movements here. Now again place it here. So this will automatically actually just create a keyframe because this is a roto shape here. And this middle line just exact we have to place on our this wire here. So like this just we have to cover our this entire wire here. So now again just come here. Even area just you can adjust according to your this actual wire expansions here or according to your required area here. So simply just you have to cover your entire wire with this entire shape here. So guys, now till here just you can check. So just I have covered this wire with the help of this open spline here. So like this just we have to cover remaining frames here. So now just adjust this actually expansions here. So maybe here we are getting some motion bar like this. So just whole wire just you have to cover entire this area here and this middle line just exact you have to place on your this wire here. Even if you want you can just track your wire with the help of tracker and just you can apply your tracking data on this shapes here. If tracking is possible then simply you can track. So now actually here we are getting second wire with our this first one here. So just carefully just we have to place it here. So now here just I have completed our entire frames here. Then after this just we have to check this actually shapes just place on our wire or not. So just all frame just we have to check. Remember this one. So now here just I have placed this open splines on our wire according to our this wire movements here. So now you can see here. So just all frames just we have to check. If there is any problem, then we have to adjust it. So maybe this is sufficient for us, suppose. Then after this, what we have to do? So just simply after this, first we have to check our alpha channel here. So now just I have again selected this one. Now press A. So alpha channel is there. Then just we have to invert this alpha channel. So again press tab and just take a invert node here and attach after this one. So now if you will actually press A here, so here you will see actually you have inverted your all channels here. So in our channel just we have to select this alpha only, because just alpha channel we have to invert. Then after this we have to take a pre-mult node. So just simply press tab and just type pre-mult. Now again press A here. Then after this take a blur node. So press tab and take this blur node. Then in our this blur node, first here we have to click on this invert here. Then in mask we have to select this RGB plus alpha here. Then with the help of this actually size value, easily we can actually fill up this blank area with the help of nearest pixels here. So this will actually just remove your wire here, because here in this blank area wire is there. Okay. So now actually how we can fill up this area? So after this blur node, one more node also we have to use, which is our actually unpremult node here. So again press tab and just type unpremult here and just simply attach it here. So now after this just simply double click on this blur node, then simply you can fill up black area with the help of nearest pixel. Now simply double click here and this size value just you can adjust and you can see result here. So simply just adjust it here. So now here you can see result. So now here just I have removed actually our wire from our this shot here, even you can see. So maybe some little bit pixels here we are getting. So even just double click on this roto, so just you can adjust this pixels here maybe. So now just I have removed. Now again simply just minimize this one. So just I have removed this wire completely from our this shot. So now again simply just, so all frames just we have to check it here. So maybe here this is looking good here. So maybe here little bit if you are getting this problem, then you can just adjust your roto, because if this roto shape exact not place on our this wire here. Okay, so just simply you can select again open splines here and just you can adjust it here. Even suppose here if you want, you can just little bit this up pixels you can also just correct it here. So for this what we can do, so just simply come here again this blur node, so just double click here. Then this is actually our value 4.2. so if you want you can simply click it here and just you have to type only in width or height here. So maybe just 4.2, so just make it 0. So make it this one 0. So now you can see here result. Okay, so now just properly just type adjusted this thing also. Then after this just we have to check in our all frames here, remember this one. So just all frames just we have to check. So maybe in our this little bit in our some frames, maybe this one here. So like this if you are getting some problems, then you can adjust this roto shape, remember this one. So because just properly you have not placed this actually roto shape on our wire here, so easily just we can fix it here. So now finally just play our final shot here. So now guys here if you will see, just we have successfully removed our first wire from our this shot here. Then like this just I am going to remove this our actually second wire from our this shot here. So for this what we can do, so simply after this tree if you will actually just select over this unpremult, now press A here, so we can see, so this is our actually alpha is there. Okay, so now again just press A here. So before starting removal of this wire, first we have to clear actually our this black area or our this alpha here. So because here in our original shot if you will check, so select this one, press 1. Now if you will press A, so there is clear here. Then just we can start with our this roto shapes here. But after this tree if you will see, so again select this one, press 1. So now here we are getting this thing. So what we can do for this, simply just we have to take after this unpremult node a shuffle node. So again press tab and just type shuffle and just attach it here. And this black area just we have to select here. So just according to the requirement just simply you can select. So this option just we have to select our. So now if you will press A here, so these are actually sort, and there is no any alpha, all these things there. Okay, now easily just we can take another roto node and just we connect after this shuffle node here. So again just I am going to take roto node here, so again press O and just attach after this shuffle. Now just select this one, press 1 and simply same, just open spline, just we have to draw for second one. So now again press Q, Q means just overlay on here, on and off. So now again simply select this open spline second one and just we have to place same thing. Then just we have to adjust it here. So maybe just I am going to adjust it here. So just only for explanation, just I have actually animated some frames here. Then after this, how we can remove, actually this is our actually second wire, this one here. So for this, what we can do? So simply nothing, just we have to do, just copy same nodes here, which is our just after this roto here. So just simply, you can simply just select these nodes here, Control C, copy, and just attach after this second roto shapes here. Now Control V, paste it here, and just simply connect with our this second roto here. This one. Now just select this one, press 1, then again just double click on this blur and just you can adjust this blur value according to your requirements here. So just simply maybe 10. So remember this one, just this value just you have to adjust according to your requirement. Maybe if wire is thick, so just you have to type more size value here, maybe 10 to 15 years. So according to your requirement, just simply you can adjust this size value. So now just properly just I have removed second wire also. So like this, just I have animated this roto shapes in our all frames here. So just I have this second roto, this one. So just simply just we can connect. So same thing you can see. So just if you will double click here, so easily we can see. So just I have animated this second roto according to our this second wire. And remember this one, last one. So this actually thickness. So this area just you have to adjust according to your wire thickness here or wire area here. Okay, so now just properly just I have animated this one here. So simply just I am going to remove this one and just I am going to plug this one here. So just simply we can attach. So attach with this one and just connect it here and unplug this one. Even simply just delete this one here. So now finally just select this unpremult node and press 1 here. So now play and check here. So now guys, here if you will see, just we have successfully removed our all these wires from our this sort here. Even just little bit in our edges, if you will see, just at last just we are getting some problems here. So maybe here little even this one. So this one actually. So simply we can fix this problem with the help of roto paint node here. So manually just we can paint some frames here, because before this is there is no any problems, and some frame just we have to paint manually here. So just simply we can take a roto paint node here. So again press P for roto paint, then simply double click here, then you can take this actually a clone brush here. Then with the help of shift just we can adjust our brush size, and with the help of control just we can select our this actually source and target area here. So just simply we have to paint out. So now again next frame. So just where you are getting this problem, just simply you can paint out here. Like this, just I have also paint out these some frames here. So just I have this another paint node here. I am going to replace this roto paint node with our this roto paint here. So again just simply unplug it here and just connect this one here. So now just if you will see here this one, select this one, press 1 here. If there is any problem, so just simply you can clear. So now you can see here there is no any problem. So now final output, just select this one and press delete. So just simply press H here, and this is our actually final flow here. So easily we can see and just place it here. So this is our first node here, this one for first one, then these all these nodes for just removing our wire, and this is our second roto, and same nodes for second one here, and this paint node just for just adjusting nearest pixels if there is any problem near to your connectors here. So now again finally play and check here, this is our final result here. So now guys, here if you will see, so we have successfully removed our all wires and there is no any problem with our edges also. So like this, just you can remove your wire from your green screen sort. Then after this, just you can remove your chroma, then finally you can compose your sort here. So guys, if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.